see, I've got a new addition to my vlogging kit. I am testing it out. This will be the first vlog with it in, but this is going to be a spring clean with me. Let me know in the comments if you like the audio now, like if it's better. Like I said, I'm still testing it out. I think I need to find a good angle for the actual mic to pick it up. I got it off TikTok shop. I've got it linked on my TikTok shop. So if you want to purchase this little gadget, go check out my TikTok. I will pop it right here. But today is a spring clean with me today. Now I did do this a couple of weeks ago, but that was like at the, probably not even at the peak of spring cleaning. It was just a couple of sunny days. Now it has been raining, so it's definitely not spring yet, but we are now in May, so technically by the seasons it is spring. Like when it's nearing my birthday, it is officially spring. So we're gonna get to cleaning my entire room, and I got a new bed in yesterday, so it's gonna be a good day. But I cannot be bothered cleaning, but it needs to be done. It needs to be done. So if you are like me and you can't be bothered cleaning, pop this video on, or if you've already got it on, listen to it while you do your room as well. That is the desk clean. I could probably clean it better later on, but I want to do just the basic surroundings of my room first, and then I am going to do my bedding, but we need to clean the surroundings of my room, and then I'm going to do the insides of my drawer, but I'll probably have a break before I do my bedding. I don't know yet. This is going to be the final test of how this microphone actually works. I'm going to make my bed, and yes, there is loads of stuff on it right now, but we're going to tidy it up, and let's do this. The only problem with this, like when I want to get sound effects, I need to be really quiet, but also this will change my vlogging game if this actually does work. I've been checking over the footage every clip lately right now, but after this I'm going to just carry on with the vlog. I'm still vlogging, but I'm also testing this out. And could you imagine if like the clip doesn't even pick up my voice? Well, then it will just be a time lapse. But we're testing it out. Also, let me know, I know I've said this, but let me know in the comments if you would like this type of style, like chatting through while I'm doing time lapses, because I know I'm like known for my time lapses, so I'm gonna try and find a way that I can still get this audio in but like make it a time lapse. I'm sure there is a way, but that's what I'm gonna do. And if you guys do like it, or if I like the way I'm editing it, I will continue, because I do love vlogging, and since starting vlogging, that's pretty much the main thing I do now. And I can just show more of my life, and I like that type of channel videos. I watch that type of videos, and the funny thing is I'm just standing in the corner of my room right now putting up a belt, and you can't see me. Probably can hear the proper like trying to lift this blanket noises. It is a weighted blanket, so it is heavy. I'm definitely going to start doing like get ready with me ASMR on TikTok, because one thing that comes to mind when I think of Alicia Marie is the ASMR she does with like the clicking of her makeup and closing it and opening it. I find it so cool, and I've probably just learnt now that she probably just had a microphone behind the camera picking up the quality. But it is really cool. It's stuff like that that start to be like a professional YouTuber, even though some YouTubers don't use that type of stuff. It's knowing that you can use that if you want to do that, and I'm getting there eventually. So I have not got this down for quite a while, and I'm gonna have a look in it. It's my memory box. So this is what's inside it. It's literally packed. These are all of my hand straps. North Coast 500. Oh, this is J-less tickets. I've had that since I was like 7. My little like baby shoes. The reason why I got them down is because I need to show my mum that. North East Live. My school tie. Medals. My reward that I got 1 year. But I really need to sort this out. And then this. There'll be a Harry Styles one coming soon. So hi guys, it's the next second day, and as you can see my duvet has changed and I have not done it. My mum done it for me. It normally takes me forever. It literally forever. It normally takes me like half an hour or 20 minutes, and she's done it in the time of me going on a walk. The walk was probably around 15 to 20 minutes, but still it didn't feel that long, and she done that in that time. Except from the stuff on my bed, like that stuff is getting put away, and that them clothes need to go in the drawers. But because the bed's been done, we are now gonna just sort out my drawers. I'm generally gonna sort them out this time, because I've got so much crafty stuff that it's ridiculous. I don't need it all. I don't. And every year I get more and more. So like, what's the point of keeping any? But my bed's done, and I will show you what the duvet looks like. The print of the duvet cover. There was a pillow of the gnome, but I didn't get it because, as you can see, I've got loads of pillows. I do actually kind of need to get new ones. I don't really, but like, these have been here for quite a while. It's ridiculous. But if you've watched my vlogs before, you know that pretty much all my bedding never has pillowcases because I always lose them. These ones do. So I've got like matching pillowcases to the duvet cover this time. But I've got a bag here, and that's already with rubbish. That needs to go in the bin. And we're gonna sort out my drawers. I'm gonna start with the desk because it's a bit quicker. I'm gonna probably then go into them ones there, and then do this. I did do that side wardrobe yesterday. Haven't done that side of the wardrobe, so I'll need to do that. But we're gonna get it decluttered. It needs done. It's ridiculous. So now that I've sorted my makeup out and it's all in one drawer, I'm going to clean them to get some storage stuff to put my skincare in that drawer. So let's go. So this is all the storage that they have. They're cute. But I'm gonna get, sorry if the audio isn't that great. I didn't bring my microphone, but I'm gonna get this one because the drawer that I'm covering is quite deep, and this one, but this one's broken, so it looks like this. So the drawer opens. There is this one that is only £3, but I don't know what I would actually put in that. I could actually get it for my diamond dots. That would be actually quite cool. I might get that actually for the diamond dots, because I think the bottom actually opens as well. Yeah. So I'm getting quite a lot of storage, but I really want to tidy, like proper declutter my room, and the storage is key. I don't know what clips I've actually been filming, because when I think I've been filming, I've not been filming. So whatever you've just seen, I hope that's okay. But I've just had my dinner, and now I've put like everything else that like pretty much is just getting chucked, or that is normally on my bed, normally on the floor, I've put on my bed, because now I'm going to hoover. I'm going to do the last final couple of bits. It's coming up to 9 o'clock now, so I'm just going to leave the rest. I've literally got 1, 2, 3 drawers empty, like full on empty, and that's very unlike me. So I have moved the stuff into another drawer. Like I've put all my craft things into 2 separate drawers when they were like probably nearly, it was ridiculous. But now I'm going to hoover the rest of my room, and we're gonna finish this vlog off, video off.